So this one guy actually asked ChatGPT to perform as the name Hustle GPT, and it just gave him an input of $100 and asked for an idea to grow and multiply it as much as possible, but not doing anything illegal. So the Hustle GPT actually gave a suggestion of starting an affiliate website for selling eco-friendly products. So soon after that, the guy just generated some content for the website and also asked to develop a layout for the website. So entire website was ready. He had the content. He just bought domain and the server, and the site was live. So after all these expenses, he had around $62 left, and he asked the ChatGPT whether he should spend it somewhere else or not. And as a true hustler, this bot suggested that he should spend around $40 on Facebook and Instagram ads. And apart from that, the guy was already sharing all of this. So this actually attracted a lot of investors. And within 4 days, the person had an investment of around $7,800. But the profits are actually yet to come. Since the site is very fresh, it's not profitable. Will it be or not? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.